Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be reviewing a topper from Jon Renau, and I'm super excited because this is a brand new topper from their 2022 collection. I'm going to get into all the specifics in just a few minutes, but thank you so much to Wig Studio One for sending me this topper for free in exchange for an honest review. All opinions are my own. What do I have for you today? Today's topper is, like I said, a brand new one, and this is the easyPart, and it's the medium HD 12 inch. Okay, so this is in this color 633. I'm just going to show you the card there. And this is the box, so it's a little bit smaller than just a regular wig box. And if you haven't purchased a topper before, then this might be a little bit new for you. So just smaller, but definitely a nice sturdy box. If you're wondering, I have on Jon Renau's, I believe it's Cameron. If it's not Cameron, I will put it right here what it is, and I also put the color right here because I just can't remember. But today we are going to try the color 633, which is a beautiful color. If you haven't seen my video, I compared like four or five of the Jon Renau sixes. So 6, 633, 6F27, and then 62730 or 63027. I can't remember off the top of my head. So gives you a good idea as to kind of what the sixes look like. This is in the 6 family. It's one of the colors that I reviewed, but this is 633. Let me show you how this is packaged. I opened it and peeked at it, but I didn't actually take it out of the box because I thought, you know what, it's packaged so nicely, and I wanted you guys to see it. Look how pretty that is in there. So you can see right there, that's that crisscross part. So it's so nicely packaged, which is definitely appreciated. There is a Jon Renau comb down in there. You definitely can't have too many combs because I swear they just disappear on me. So I love getting new combs. Okay, so this is the way it's packaged. It has the paper on the inside there and then a net covering it. Okay, so here is the topper. This is what it looks like. I think that's a really good view there of the color, the 633. So 6 is a medium brown, and then 33 is just like a reddish kind of auburny color. So it's a medium brown red blend. Okay, so that's what it's called. You can see that it's straight, right? There's just a little bit of turn up there at the end, and that's probably from it being packaged. Now, this is an HD fiber, so you can use a lower heat setting to change up the pattern of it. So if you wanted to curl it, you could, or if you wanted to keep it straight, you could just straighten it a little bit more, and it's not going to hurt it. As you can see on the inside here, this is a full mono top, and then you have this PU here, so that's going to help to grip to your hair. So if you wanted to use any sort of tape or anything like that, you could do that. There are 4 pressure sensitive clips, as you can see there. I'm going to kind of move that part around and just show you that it really looks like your scalp there. Okay, so you can see there's my finger moving around in there, and that's the beauty of having a mono top. This base is a 4 by 5.5 inches. So this is good. This particular topper is good for beginning to medium stages of hair loss. It's not made to cover your entire head, so it's not going to do that. So that's just something to be aware of. Jon Renau definitely has toppers that are, there's the top full, which is like almost a full wig, all the way to just like a that you just put at your crown. I think I have that actually. So they have definitely anything that pretty much you could want as far as a topper is concerned. But this is for kind of beginning to middle stages of hair loss. So let's go ahead and put this beautiful topper on, and you'll definitely be able to see it because I think my hair is longer than this topper, and my hair has some more gray in it, more than normal, but you'll be able to see really the coverage that it gives you because of that. So if you wanted to leave your hair out in the front, you could do that, or you can just bring it to the very front. Now, there's no lace front, so you just have to be aware of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put it at the very front and not bring any of my hair in yet. Okay. So as you can see, this is my hair right here, okay? So my hair is quite a bit longer than this topper. Like I said, this is the 12-inch topper. You can get it in, I believe, 18 inches. So for me, it might be better for me to go with an 18-inch or just to get my hair trimmed. I could do either one. But this is definitely good coverage. So I'm just gonna show you that here in the front. Now you see that I might need to pull it forward just a little bit more, or like I said, I can bring that hair out. I'm just gonna move this around so you can really see, it's my hair peeking through right there, you see that? You can really see how it does look like scalp with that mono top there. So you can move it any way you want it. If you like a really deep side part, you could do that as long as you're within that 4 to 5.5 inch area, you could do that. Definitely very easy to tuck behind the ears, as you can see there. So it's a medium density. So it's not like super duper heavy and weighted on your head. I think it only weighs like 2.8 ounces or something like that. So very lightweight, and it's not gonna feel like it's just weighing you down. I'm going to give you a view from all sides, and just remember that this topper is definitely not as long as my hair, but like I said, that's a good thing, I think, because it does show you the coverage really well. One thing that's awesome about toppers, in my opinion, is that you can pull them back into a pony, and it is going to show your hair underneath. So I can just show you that there. See, I have lots of baby hairs underneath there, but unlike a wig, you know, where you have the cap that may show, a topper isn't going to do that. So you have the base up here, and you can really pull your hair back and be totally confident about doing that and not showing any type of cap. So I love toppers for that reason. So just a little bit of a story about me. My very first wig was Stevie, but then I purchased a topper from Wig Studio One, actually. I had such a hard time with that topper. I ended up returning it because I got so frustrated. Not because anything was wrong with the topper or the service or anything like that, but it takes practice. If you've never put on a topper, never used a topper, whatever, it does take some practice. So if you decide that you want to get a topper, definitely give yourself time, okay? Give yourself time to practice with it. If you get frustrated, put it down, walk away, come back later and try again, because it can get a little bit frustrating. Also, this goes for wigs and toppers. If you are trying on something that you just purchased, be sure you have some makeup on if you're a makeup wearer, just because it's gonna make you feel better, you're gonna look better. And I don't know how many times I've gotten a wig, a brand new wig, put it on with no makeup, and I'm like, I don't really like it. But as soon as I put makeup on, it looks so much better. So just keep those 2 points in mind when buying a topper, wig, whatever. But just know that sometimes you have to give yourself a little bit of time to get used to a topper. Also, with the clips in here, it's important to note that, you know, you want to have healthy hair in the area where the topper is going to be. Okay, you want to make sure that that is healthy hair because you are going to have clips there, right? So just be really careful with that. One thing that you can do to, for instance, I have really fine thin hair, so it's sometimes hard for me to get those clips in and make them stay. One good thing that you can do is just take your comb or your brush before you put the topper on, obviously, and back comb those areas, so you can back comb where the clips would be. Or you could take a little bit of hairspray or maybe even dry shampoo just to kind of dirty your hair up a little bit and give it some more texture. And that will help with putting the clips in and making them stay put and not feel like they're sliding on you. But these clips are very sturdy, and like I said, they're pressure sensitive. You just push them and they clip. Okay, I changed it up just a little bit. As you can see, I did want to give you a look at what it looks like in the front if you pull your hair out. If you pull some of the hair out, put the topper back just a little bit, maybe like an inch or something like that, and pull your hair out. So as you can see, like I've said, my hair is really gray. It's going gray. Now, as you can also see, I'm pretty kind of sparse right here in the front. So if I wanted to wear my hair out in a topper, I could just put in some root spray, okay, whatever matches the hair, and that would take care of it. On the sides, you're obviously going to have the hair out, but at the top, if you don't want maybe a lace front, you just want to pull your hair out, maybe your sides are what's giving you the problem as far as the hair loss, then that is a really, really good option because it does make you feel more like it's all your own hair and it blends in that much better. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Wig Studio One for sending me this topper for review. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.